Okay, so today, the tip of the day is if you get into Vim and you want to just, let's say, add a simple line of text, what you do is you type I, which gets you into insert mode. So you see on the bottom here, it's insert mode. And then you say what, quick brown fox jumped over. Okay, so in insert mode, you can just type like a normal editor, and then you hit escape and save it. So the escape brings you to command mode, to :W for writing the file, hit return, no file name, so do :W fox.txt. Yeah, so that will write the content you just typed into a file. Create a new file. You see on the bottom here. Create a new file. Then you're still in command mode, but just in case, I just like to hit a lot of escape keys. Then get into the command mode and command prompt and type WQ to write it, but we just wrote it, so just type Q to quit. That's it. Hope you find that useful to insert a single line into Vim.